Is your pool green or cloudy? Failed an overnight chlorine loss test? Is your CC level above 0.5? If so, prepare to slam. A slam can be done on all pool types, regardless of shape or size. Your own FAS DPD test kit found in the TF100 or K2006C, a working pump that's running 24/7 during this process, a working filter system, and lots of liquid chlorine are required for this process. First, lower your pH to 7.2. This is done as partly because pH testing is inaccurate at chlorine levels over 10. Until the slam is complete, forget pH. Next, test your CYA to determine your correlating FC shock level. An ideal CYA for slam is 30 to 50 parts per million. You must have a minimum CYA of 30, however, if your CYA is over 90. Consider changing some water to lower it before starting the slam. Using pool math, figure out how much chlorine is needed to reach your shock level. Add this amount to your pool by slowly pouring the liquid chlorine in front of the returns. Next is important. Maintain that shock level. Your chlorine level will go down, so test and add chlorine frequently to maintain your shock level. During the process, keep in mind, this will take time. The slam isn't going to be an overnight success. During the process, brush all surfaces frequently to break up algae and remove any leaves or debris in the water. Retest your chlorine levels often, at least once in the morning and once at night, increasing your chlorine each time to shock level. The more you do this, the faster the process will go. Maintain your shock level until you pass all 3 SLAM criteria: clear water, pass the overnight chlorine loss test, and your CC level is 0.5 or less. For more details or personalized assistance, please visit us at www.troublefreepool.com.